Number 1. 1986 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat, $3,600, Gig Harbor, Washington. This 1986 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat is a well-preserved survivor that has stayed within one family since new. Powered by a 351 Windsor V8 and automatic transmission, it has only 75,000 original miles. Recently revived after sitting, it received a new carburetor, battery ignition components, and a full tune-up. The truck runs and drives smoothly with both fuel tanks functional, though the fuel gauge and starter could use attention. With no rust and a clean underside, it remains a highly original, rust-free classic ideal for enthusiasts seeking a genuine vintage workhorse. Number 2. 1986 Dodge Ram W150, $5,000, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1986 Dodge Ram W150 is a rugged 4x4 pickup equipped with a 3-18 V8 and manual 4-speed transmission with granny gear. The odometer has rolled over, but it runs and drives well with many new parts, including tires, radiator, water pump, thermostat, and ignition components. It is ready for restoration, showing good mechanical reliability and a strong foundation. A solid candidate for collectors looking to restore a dependable square-body Dodge truck. Number 3. 1984 Dodge Ram D150, $8,000, Aurora, Colorado. The 1984 Dodge Ram D150 presents as a solid, lightly patinated survivor in black paint with minimal rust and good mechanical health. Powered by a V8 and automatic transmission, it shows 114,000 miles rolled over. The truck includes a camping topper, new weather seals, window motor, and heater core for the air conditioning system. Despite flaking clear coat typical of 1980s Dodge finishes, this D150 remains a classic rear-wheel drive pickup with good potential for restoration or light custom work. Number 4. 1971 Ford F-250 Custom Camper, $7,500, Galena. Nevada, a 1971 Ford F-250 Custom Camper with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, showing 61,370 miles. Finished in original green paint with excellent body condition, it runs and drives very well. This long bed truck retains a clean title and remarkable originality, representing a desirable survivor from the bump side era of Ford pickups known for their durability and classic styling. Number 5. 1972 Chevrolet C20, $6,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1972 Chevrolet C20 features the dependable 350 engine paired with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Mechanically sound with a minor oil leak, it benefits from an HEI ignition upgrade and a freshly rebuilt front end, including steering and brake components. The transmission occasionally slips when selecting reverse, but remains fully drivable. With 4 nearly new tires and solid mechanicals, this C20 stands as a ready-to-drive workhorse and a great foundation for a period-correct restoration. Number 6. 1976 Ford Ranger XLT step-side woodbed, $6,500, Pleasant Hill, California. This 1976 Ford Ranger XLT step-side is a well-preserved pickup purchased new at Walnut Creek Ford and kept in the same family for decades. Powered by a V8 with automatic transmission, it features original blue paint and wood bed. It recently received a new battery, starter, and solenoid, but needs carburetor cleaning to run properly. The truck's straight body, originality, and local California history make it an appealing project for collectors who value authenticity. Number 7. 1972 Dodge Power Wagon 1500 4x4 with snowplow, $4,650, Helena, Montana. This 1972 Dodge Power Wagon 1500 comes with an automatic transmission, 44,616 miles, and an operational 7-foot Myers hydraulic snowplow. It includes a set of tire chains and a dependable 8-cylinder gas engine that starts even in extreme cold. With a solid body and clean title, this Power Wagon is perfect for rural or mountain use and holds great appeal as a functional vintage utility vehicle. Number 8. 1974 Ford F700 flatbed truck, $1,950, Springfield, Missouri. A 1974 Ford F700 heavy-duty flatbed powered by a V8 and manual transmission. It runs well but requires a new brake master cylinder. The title is missing, though the truck is mechanically strong and features a robust frame. Ideal for restoration enthusiasts or those seeking a classic flatbed for light farm or yard duty. Number 9. 1973 Ford Ranchero 500, $7,000, Albany, California. This 1973 Ford Ranchero 500 blends the styling of a car with the utility of a truck. Powered by a V8 with automatic transmission, it runs and drives well with 125,000 miles. Finished in green paint, it represents the final years of the Ranchero line before its 1979 discontinuation. A solid driver that balances muscle car character with practical hauling ability. Number 10. 1973 Ford F100 4Wobby Day, $21,000, El Dorado Hills, California. This 1973 Ford F100 4x4 is a beautifully rescued two-owner truck with a red finish, V8 engine, and automatic transmission. With 99,700 miles, it recently emerged from long-term storage after years of inactivity. The truck has undergone extensive prior maintenance and presents in strong mechanical condition. A rare find in today's market, combining vintage appeal with genuine off-road capability. Number 11. 1968 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special, $6,500, Northridge, California. This 1968 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special runs well with a strong 390 V8 and C6 automatic transmission. Showing 61,125 miles, it has received new brakes, bearings, bushings, and a brake booster. While some rust and non-functional accessories are noted, the truck's structural integrity and mechanical reliability make it a worthwhile candidate for restoration. Its Camper Special package adds extra heavy-duty features typical of Ford's late 1960s work trucks. Number 12. 1955 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, $10,000. Placerville, California. A 1955 Chevrolet 3100 stepside pickup, powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 and manual transmission. It has 6,400 miles on the odometer, rolled over, and includes a new bench seat, new fuel tank, and refreshed front end. With its mostly original body and clean title, it offers an excellent blend of originality and upgraded performance. An appealing mid-1950s truck ready for light restoration or weekend use. Number 13. 1976 GMC 4WOODBED pickup with hydraulic dump bed, $100, Orcas Island, Washington. This 1976 GMC 4x4 3/4-ton truck is being sold for parts or possible restoration. Equipped with a 350 V8 and automatic transmission, it features a working hydraulic dump bed, though the bed itself and one lift hinge need repair. The body is rusted, but the frame remains solid. A rare utility model that could be revived or serve as a valuable donor for another project. Number 14. 1941 Chevrolet RatRod, $7,000, Hutchinson, Kansas. This 1941 Chevrolet RatRod is a legally titled custom build mounted on an S10 chassis. It features a freshly rebuilt 350 V8 and automatic transmission, new aluminum radiator, and 15-inch wheels. The cab has been chopped and partially finished, but it drives well at highway speeds. Sold with several extra body panels, it's a unique hot rod project offering raw style and strong mechanical bones. Number 15. 1948 Dodge B1F, $8,000, Irrigon, Oregon. A 1948 Dodge B1F 1.5-ton dump bed truck, powered by a flathead 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. With only 26,000 miles, it runs like new and is presented in excellent condition. Painted in striking red, this post-war Dodge offers exceptional originality and versatility, perfect for collectors, museums, or as a platform for a modern powertrain swap.